Best Back Connect motherboards deliver cleaner cable management, improved airflow, easier assembly, better aesthetics, and simplified maintenance for high-performance PC builds. My today's video is about top 5 best Back Connect motherboards that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Shangzhuayuan B85M Pro LGA 1150 motherboard. The B85M Pro motherboard is an excellent choice for users looking to revive or upgrade an Intel 4th generation desktop without investing in a modern platform. Supporting a wide range of LGA 1150 processors, including Core i7, i5, i3, Pentium, and Xeon E3 CPUs, it delivers reliable performance for everyday computing, office work, and budget gaming. Dual-channel DDR3 memory support up to 32 GB ensures responsive multitasking, while the integrated M.2 slot with automatic NVMe/SATA switching provides faster storage options than traditional SATA drives. Its generous connectivity, including PCIe X16, PCIe X1, dual PCI slots, Gigabit Ethernet, HDMI, DVI, VGA, and SATA 3.0 ports, offers excellent flexibility for upgrades and legacy devices. Built with an 8-layer PCB, solid capacitors, and a stable 4-phase power design, it promotes dependable long-term operation and efficient heat dissipation. Overall, this motherboard delivers impressive value, making it a dependable foundation for affordable PC builds or refurbishing older systems. Now our second product is Gigabyte B850 Aorus ATX motherboard. The Stealth Series Reverse Connect motherboard is built for enthusiasts who want a cleaner, more efficient PC build without sacrificing performance. Its innovative Reverse Connect design routes cables behind the motherboard tray, creating a sleek, clutter-free interior that improves airflow and simplifies cable management. Powered by the AMD AM5 socket, it fully supports Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors, making it a future-ready platform for gaming, content creation, and demanding workloads. The robust 14+2+2 digital power phase design, combined with a premium 6-layer PCB, high-quality chokes, and durable capacitors, ensures stable power delivery even under heavy loads or overclocking. Advanced VRM heat sinks and an integrated I/O shield enhance cooling performance while making installation faster and more convenient. With support for high-speed DDR5 memory for DMM slots and AMD Expo memory profiles, users can maximize system responsiveness and multitasking performance. Overall, this motherboard delivers exceptional reliability, modern features, and outstanding aesthetics for high-end PC builders. Our third product is Ashrock X870 Nova Wi-Fi AM5 flagship motherboard. Designed for enthusiasts and professionals, this flagship AMD AM5 motherboard delivers exceptional performance for Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors. Its powerful 18+2+1 phase VRM with 80A smart power stages provides outstanding power stability, making it ideal for demanding workloads, gaming, and advanced overclocking. 4 DDR5 DMM slots support blazing fast memory speeds up to 8400 plus MHz OC, ensuring excellent responsiveness for multitasking and content creation. Dual rear USB 4 Type-C ports offer ultra-fast 40 gigabits per second transfers, DisplayPort Alt mode, and power delivery for modern peripherals and high-resolution displays. Cooling is equally impressive, featuring toolless multi-layer M.2 heat sinks, an additional bottom M.2 heatsink, and an easy release mechanism that simplifies GPU installation and upgrades. Networking is future-ready with Realtek 5G LAN, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth for ultra-low latency connections. Multiple PCIe Gen 5 and Gen 4 M.2 slots provide outstanding storage flexibility, making this motherboard a premium foundation for cutting-edge, high-performance desktop systems. Now number 4, MSI Pro B850M a Wi-Fi PZ motherboard. The Pro B850M, a Wi-Fi PZ, is a feature-rich AM5 motherboard designed to unlock the full potential of AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors. Its robust direct 8-phase 60A smart power stage VRM with Core Boost architecture delivers stable, efficient power for demanding workloads, gaming, and reliable overclocking. Thermal performance is equally impressive, with an extended heatsink, premium 7W/MK MOSFET thermal pads, additional choke cooling, M.2 shield frozzer, and dedicated pump/system fan support to maintain optimal temperatures under heavy loads. 4 DDR5 DMM slots support memory speeds exceeding 8,200 metric tons per second (OC), while the reinforced PCIe 5.0x16 steel armor slot is ready for the latest high-performance graphics cards. Storage is future-proof with both PCIe Gen 5 and Gen 4 M.2 slots, ensuring blazing fast SSD performance without thermal throttling. Modern connectivity, including Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, 5GB LAN, USB 10 gigabits per second Type-C, and Audio Boost, completes a well-balanced motherboard that offers excellent performance, reliability, and long-term upgrade potential. And our last choice is ASUS TUF Gaming B850 BTF Wi-Fi W AMD B850 ATX motherboard. Built for the next generation of AI-powered computing, this AM5 motherboard combines innovative design with premium hardware to deliver exceptional performance for gamers, creators, and professionals. Supporting AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors, it provides a future-ready platform capable of handling demanding AI workloads, multitasking, and high-end gaming. Its hidden connector design creates a clean, cable-free interior that improves airflow, simplifies assembly, and enhances the overall appearance of custom PC builds. The integrated graphics card high-power slot can supply up to 600W directly through the motherboard, reducing cable clutter while supporting the latest high-performance GPUs. A powerful 14+2+1 phase VRM with 88 DRMOS power stages, an 8-layer PCB, dual 8-pin ProCool power connectors, premium alloy chokes, and durable capacitors ensures outstanding power stability for sustained workloads and overclocking. Overall, this motherboard delivers cutting-edge features, exceptional reliability, and a sleek design, making it an excellent foundation for advanced AI and enthusiast desktop systems. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.